Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form W-4. First, understand that this form helps your employer withhold the correct federal income tax from your pay. Begin by providing your personal details, including your name and social security number. Then, select your appropriate filing status, whether you are single, married filing separately, or head of household. This initial information is crucial for accurate tax calculations. Next, address Step 2 if you have multiple jobs or if your spouse also works. You can use the IRS tax withholding estimator online for the most precise adjustment. Alternatively, you can simply check the box in Step 2, see if you have 2 jobs with similar pay, or if you and your spouse each have 1 job. This step ensures your withholding accounts for all income sources. Moving on to Step 3, claim any eligible dependents to reduce your tax withholding. In Step 4, you can account for other income not subject to withholding, such as interest or dividends, by entering it in 4A. If you plan to itemize deductions beyond the standard deduction, include those in 4Bs. Finally, specify any additional tax you want withheld from each paycheck in 4C. Before submitting, carefully review all sections of your Form W-4 to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, sign and date the form, then give it to your employer. Remember, you should submit a new Form W-4 whenever your personal or financial situation changes, like getting married or having a child. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying updated helps prevent unexpected tax bills or overpaying throughout the year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.